My first question is that first of all, I want to know from you what are you doing nowadays?
Uh, I'm doing my job with my study,
Okay, that's great. You are doing your job with your study.
and
Uh,
recently I joined in Vision Institute to improve my English.
your communication skills so fantastic, but you need fluency in this. After getting the practice, regular practice, and making the content related to the spoken English, so you will be improved a lot. I
Yeah,
think you should make regular practice for this so that you can get some new vocabulary. First of my question is that, and how do you manage your negativity in this time you are working in a hospital? Sometimes you have to listen, you have to feel some negative things. So how do you manage this?
first of all, I in this situation I get nervous. So first of all, I think I'm not focus problem. I focus its solution, and sometimes I talk with my friends to uh, to
Get the
get feel free and get solution.
That's great about you. Sometimes I have seen some people when they trapped any kind of problem, so they do not think about the solution. They only think about the problem. That's why they will not get the proper solution of it. But you are so excellent. You share your problem with your trustworthy friend. That's great about you. Okay, the next question of me. What do you think when you feel look blue? Sometimes we hesitate, we do not adjust with the atmosphere. So I want to know from you, how do you feel and what do you do when you feel look blue?
When I feel, I spend time with me alone, because I was think to share with other, they make fun, uh, and they don't understand. So I think I spend time with me, and sel- to make solution, and I also spend time with my family, and because he understand me, he 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 don't judge me, that's why.
Okay, mobile phone is also a great solution for this.
Yeah.
You can watch the videos, you can scroll the reels, you can easily engage in this. I think you should use also the mobile phone for this kind of problems. Okay, you can use it. The next question of me, suppose you are getting frustrated from your work,
Yeah.
so what will you do next?
uh,
Sometimes it happens with us.
yeah, it's it's normal to workplace frustrate, but we focus our solution, our growth, our career, not every time make frustrated. Sometimes we understand why this happen, what this happen. So we should try to understand what why this happen for us.
Exactly, you are perfect in your communication. You are giving the proper answer of every question. I hope you will give the proper answer of my next 2 or 3 questions. Okay, try the next question. I want to take an advice from you. I am also a YouTuber, a small YouTuber. I am uploading content on my YouTube channel, but I have not so much traffic. I have only 2,500 subscribers on my channel. Still they do not watch my videos because they don't like educational videos. If I make a video of my fun, like I am dancing in the video, so they will definitely comment on it, but they don't like to learn past indefinite tense, present indefinite tense, any kind of educational content. So I want to know from you. I have a YouTube channel,
Yeah.
and I am uploading two types of content. The first one is a 6 to 12 and the second one is spoken English. Both content I am uploading only on one channel. So I want to take a suggestion from you. Should I create a new YouTube channel to upload the content of spoken English so that I can engage with the people who just want to see the content of spoken English?
I think both channel are good, but for speaking English, I think you should make another particular channel for that type of student engage this video, and you should try shorts video like 5 words daily, 5 sentence, uh, and 1 to 6 year students communication, and many more.
You know, I am uploading conversational videos. I uploaded your video on my YouTube channel. On the second video, you can see. I think I got the impression of 452 people. Means my video went about 500 people, and about 15 to 20 people clicked on it, and they watch. I got a watch time of 1 hour. Means 10 to 15 people definitely watched it completely. It is a good thing for me. I think it is happening only because of my students. They are coming here, they are ready to make the content. You are the only girl, she's always ready to make the content for this. It is a good thing about you, and you are learning from this. I want to know from you, which application should I use to make the thumbnails, because I think my thumbnails are not so good. Some students, some people make a comment on my channel that, sir, I can make the thumbnails for you, but I have to give money. I don't want to share my amount with them because I am not a true earner on YouTube now. So which application should I use to make a proper thumbnail?
I want to suggest you, you should try Canva. This is free app, and there are so many features to freely use. So you should try.
Okay, definitely I will try it. Basically, I am using Canva application, but I don't know how to create thumbnails on it. I don't know how to crop the pictures, the background, which background should I use in my thumbnails. This is really a difficult things like me, because I am an educator. I don't know how to make proper thumbnails. But if you are giving the suggestion to me, so I will definitely try. If I will succeed on this, so I will give the credit it of you. Okay, when will you start your YouTube channel?
I want to start in future because I see one girl, Kashupriya. I inspire her because she learn English by herself. She make videos. She daily uploads short videos like they take challenge 30 days speaking English challenge. So I want to try this type of content. So I inspire by her. So I want to try in future.
Well, fantastic. I think English is a revolutionary technique in this. Basically, millions of people are learning English, and if you will try this tech, so you will definitely grow. But first of all, I think you should make perfect in your communication skill. You are already perfect, but you need fluency.
Yeah.
You need some kind of confidence, and you have to grave vocabulary, huge vocabulary, a massive vocabulary, so that you can give these kind of things to the students. Basically, the ones who are watching, they have many kinds of choice, but they will stop at you if you are giving a proper content.
Yeah.
I think you will definitely do this.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
if you
will
have
try.
any kind of questions, so you can ask me.
First of all, I want to say to you, I really inspire by you because we are in same age.
Yeah,
Like
definitely.
little bit different, but you inspire me very much. Or I want to ask, who motivate you? Like in Sihor, English is not very important. So in your time, who inspire you to learn English?
Okay, first of all, I want to share my reviews with you. You know, in 2019 or 20, I started my teaching career. And at that time, I was teaching mathematics in school. I went to a village. There, I was teaching mathematics and English. Some of my students said to me, "Sir, your English skill is too good." Basically, at that time, I was not so perfect in this. I just taught tenses, active and passive voice to them, but they better understood me, and they give me a positive reaction. And I think this is the only thing they motivated me a lot. And I want to share the credit to my teacher. You know, I had my teacher Dinesh sir, who told me once, Sudhir, you are a perfect student, and your brain is so good, you are so intelligent, so you should come in the teaching field. First of all, I started my career with a job. I was a computer operator at Arihant Auto Parts, but I got the salary only 3,000 rupees there. I had to work about 6 to 7 hours. I went there at 11 o'clock in the morning time, and I reached at my home about 8 o'clock. I lost my education. I was not able to go to the college because of that problem. So I quit that job and I start teaching in the schools. When I start teaching in the school, so I had to teach English and mathematics, both subject. So English was really a big trouble for me. So I purchased a course of spoken English guru, means Aditya sir. I read his books. His books are so fantastic. I read the grammar book and conversation, translation, vocabulary. I followed his YouTube channel, and he is really fantastic. Then I came to a girl. I watched the video of Ram sir, Rajni ma'am. They are really fantastic. They upload conversational videos on their channel. I watched their video, and gradually I engage in their videos, and I think I am so perfect in this. But sometimes I feel hesitation because I am living in Sihor, so I do not have so much friend with whom I can talk. I have only 5 to 6 people with whom I can talk in English. Otherwise, at home I have to talk in Hindi because my parents do not speak English, and my sister is able to speak, but she always engaged in her studies. That's why I have no options. I am creating an options. I am talking with my brother. He lives with me at my home, so I can manage my conversation with him as well. If I will be stay in Bhopal and the other places, so I will get excellent fluency in English. But I am trying my best. I will take 1 or 2 year as well.